The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Tsunami Warning Administration. At approximately 7:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an earthquake of about a magnitude 8.9 on the Richter scale occurred. A large and a deadly tsunami was formed, and is currently expected to impact the east coast of the United States. All residents within a 500-mile radius of the east coast are ordered to evacuate immediately. Follow all tsunami guidance tabs, and evacuate in an orderly and calm manner. Wave heights are unable to be predicted at this time. If you have children in school, do not pick them up. Let schools do their evacuation plan. You may not have time to gather important things like personal belongings. Get together, food, water, medical supplies, any and all electronics, chargers, pets, and evacuate. Estimated time of impact is 10 minutes. Get to high shelter now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Tsunami Warning Administration. This is a all-clear message, but do not return to your homes. At approximately 2:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the wave's heights were discovered to be around 400 to 500 feet tall, which the tsunami is now considered one of the United States' worst tsunamis on record, and is also considered a mega tsunami. Any land around 100 miles from the coastline are completely submerged in water. Do not return to your homes. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We will now return you to regular programming.